So here is our next MCQ. So in this MCQ, we have two variables, y and n. One is of integer and one is of character type. And we are scanning the character type. Okay, that is, we are scanning the value of the n. And then inside the if, we have this expression. Okay, where we are saying ki, okay, n is greater than 65, double end. Okay, that is the logical end, and less than 90. Okay, then we have this ternary operator or the conditional operator. Okay, based on this, we are printing yes or no. Okay, so you have to tell the output of this code. Okay, when the value of the n is this d. Okay, d is a character. Okay, this inverted commas means we are inputting a character. Okay, inside the n, as it is of character type. And what if we enter 1? Okay, single quotes means that we are entering a character. Okay, so here 1 is not an integer value, it is a character value. Okay, and each character has some ASCII value. Okay, so now we have to tell what is the output for these input. Okay, so I will run the timer and you can think the answer. So I hope you've got the answer. So the correct answer for this question is option B. That means if we enter D, then it will print yes, and for n equal to 1, it will print no. So first let's run this program into the IDE, and then we will understand that why we are getting this output. Okay, so here is our code. Okay, so let's run this program. So if I enter capital D, then I'm getting yes, and if I enter 1, okay, then I'm getting no. Okay, so let's understand, okay, the reason. So basically, if you see here, we are entering a character. Okay, so if we enter a character, let's say capital D, right? Okay, then we will come inside if, and inside if we have this big expression. Okay, so basically we can use any big expression inside the if. Okay, there is no compile time error due to this. Okay, it should be like after evaluating the complete expression. Okay, the if will treat that answer either as true or false. Okay, if that answer is 0, then if will treat that answer as false, and if it has non-zero value, okay, then it will be treated as true. Okay, otherwise any big expression can be inside the if. Okay, so there is no compile time error. Now now the next thing is we have to compute the answer of this expression, okay, which I have written here. Okay, so here you can see this is a C expression. Okay, normal C expression. We have a conditional operator also. Okay, and here we have this expression. So you have to apply the precedent and associativity of the operator, and accordingly you have to find the answer of this expression. Okay, so here you can see we have A. Okay, so how we will compute the answer? So basically this is a conditional operator. Okay, now we will first find the answer of this side. Okay, and if it is true, then 1 will be assigned to y, and if this completely gives you false, then we will go to this. Okay, and here it is 0, 0 will be assigned to y. Okay, so let's see. So basically you know that for each character in C programming we have a integer value associated with it, that is known as ASCII value. So for capital A we have 65, for character B we have 66, and so on. Okay, so if you enter capital D, that means 68 is the ASCII value. Okay, so now if you come here, okay, inside N we have, you can say D, or you can say 68, right? So when we are comparing this, you can say D character with 65 and 90. So basically we are comparing the ASCII value, okay, of this D with the 65 and 90. So basically inside N we can say we have 68. So 68 is greater than 65. We will say yes, that is true. And 65 is lesser than equal to 90. Yes, it is lesser than 90. So it is also true. Now N will say both conditions are true. So this whole answer will be true. Okay, now this whole answer is true. That means we will catch this. We will go to this one. Now the answer of this whole expression, this expression is 1, and this 1 will be assigned to y. Okay, so basically we got y equal to 1. So 1 will be assigned to y. Okay, this. So what will happen if, okay, y equal to 1 means 1 is assigned to y. So basically here we got 1. Okay, you can say this whole thing reduces to this. So if 1 is a non-zero value, that means a true value. So inside if we have a true value. So if true, then we come inside the if body and we will print yes, and after that we'll return 0, right? So for n equal to the, we are printing yes, okay. And now if we enter n equal to 1, n equal to 1 means we are entering a character. This you have to see very carefully because n is a character, okay. So if we enter a character 1, then we are getting no. Why? We know the ASCII value of the digits if they are treated as character. It starts from this. The ASCII value of 0 is 48, for 1 it is 49, and for 2 it is 50, and so on, okay. So basically when we are entering n equal to 1, okay, that means we are saying we are entering 49, okay. That means ASCII value. So if it inside it is 1, that means we have 49 inside this. So now we will compare 49 with 65 and 90, okay. So basically 49, okay, it is not greater than 65, right? Okay, so this is false. So no, and will not treat or not calculate this expression, okay, due to short circuiting, okay. This I have explained in my C programming, but is short circuiting. Now this whole condition will be false. If this is false, we will go to the this 0, okay, 0. So 0 will directly be assigned to now y, okay. So 0 will now be assigned to y. So if 0, so if 0 means false, okay. So we will come to else and we will print no. So we are printing no, okay. So basically if you enter any value which is between 65 and 90, okay, including 65 and 90, then you will always get, okay, 1 inside y and yes as the output. And if you enter any number which is outside the range of 65 and 90, you will always get no, okay. This is the crux of this question, okay. So I hope you have got the idea. The idea was simple. Calculate this C expression. If you know how to calculate C expression, this question is very easy, okay. So now let's move to our next question.